Welcome back to Mathusay Math 10 tutorial. In this lesson, you will learn how to divide polynomials using long division. Let's start. The procedure when dividing a polynomial by a polynomial is similar to the procedure used when dividing whole numbers. To understand this, let's take these examples. Example number 1. Divide 2x squared plus 5x minus 23 by x plus 5. In dividing polynomials, we have to make sure that our polynomial is written in standard form. In this case, since it's already written in standard form, we can start dividing it. Now, listen closely so you'll get how to divide polynomial by a polynomial. 2x squared divided by x, that gives you 2x. Now, your answer must be written right on top of the same term in the dividend. That's why your 2x is written right on top of 5x. Now, from here, we multiply 2x with x plus 5. So, 2x times x, that gives you 2x squared. Now, 2x times positive 5, that gives you positive 10x. Now, the 2x squared plus 10x will be subtracted from the expression 2x squared plus 5x. So, if we are going to subtract this, 2x squared will become negative and 10x will become negative. So from here, we know that 2x squared minus 2x squared, that becomes 0. So this cancels out. 5x minus 10x, that gives you negative 5x. Now from here, we bring down negative 23. Now we will repeat the process that we have done earlier. Negative 5x divided by x, that gives you negative 5. Again, the negative 5 will be multiplied to the divisor. So negative 5 times x, negative 5x. Negative 5 times positive 5, that will give you negative 25. Again, we will subtract negative 5x minus 25 from negative 5x minus 23. Now, negative 5x minus the negative 5x, that becomes 0. So this cancels out, right? Now, negative 23 minus the negative 25. So 25 becomes positive because negative times negative is positive 25. So, negative 23 plus positive 25, that gives you positive 2. Now, from here, we can no longer divide 2 by x. So, it means to say that 2x minus 5 is the quotient and 2 is the remainder. Hence, when you divide 2x squared plus 5x minus 23 by x plus 5, you can write your answer as 2x minus 5 plus 2 all over x plus 5. Note also that 2x squared plus 5x minus 23 is equal to 2x minus 5, which is your quotient, times the divisor x plus 5 plus 2, which is the remainder. Claro? Let's take another example. Example number 2. Divide 3x cubed plus 9x squared plus 4x minus 4 by x plus 2. Now we can start dividing right away since the dividend is already written in standard form. 3x cubed divided by x is 3x squared. Now we will multiply 3x squared with the divisor x plus 2. So, 3x squared times x, that gives you 3x cubed. Now, 3x squared times positive 2, that gives you 6x squared. Now, we will subtract the expression 3x cubed plus 6x squared from 3x cubed plus 9x squared. So, if we subtract this, we have 3x cubed minus 3x cubed, that becomes 0, right? Now, 9x squared minus 6x squared, that gives you positive 3x squared. So, we bring down 4x this time. Now, we repeat the process again. 3x squared divided by x, that gives you positive 3x. Now, we multiply 3x with the divisor x plus 2. Now, 3x times x, that gives you 3x squared. 3x times positive 2, that gives you positive 6x. Now, we subtract these terms. Now, 3x squared minus 3x squared, that becomes 0, right? So, 4x minus 6x, that gives you negative 2x. From here, we bring down the constant negative 4. Now, negative 2x divided by positive x, that gives you negative 2. Now, the negative 2 will be multiplied with our divisor. So, negative 2 times x, that gives you negative 2x. Negative 2 times positive 2, that gives you negative 4. Now, if we subtract these terms, you will have 0. This means that the quotient is 3x squared plus 3x minus 2, and the remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, it means to say also that x plus 2 is a factor of the dividend. Hence, when you divide 3x cubed plus 9x squared plus 4x minus 4 by x plus 2, the quotient will be 3x squared plus 3x minus 2. In this case, we don't have a remainder. Let's take the last example. This time, let's have example number 3. Divide 10x squared plus 2x to the 4th power plus 8 plus 7x cubed by 2x squared plus x minus 1. Now, as you can observe, the dividend is not yet written in standard form. So, we had to write it down first in standard form. So, if we write it in standard form, we have 2x to the 4th power plus 7x cubed plus 10x squared plus 8. As you can see, we don't have a linear term. So, we have to insert a linear term with 0 as coefficient before dividing it. So, we have our polynomial expression 2x to the 4th power plus 7x cubed plus 10x squared plus 0x plus 8. Now, we can start dividing it by 2x squared plus x minus 1. Now, let's start. 2x to the 4th power divided by 2x squared, that will give you x squared. Now, x squared will be multiplied to the divisor. So, x squared times 2x squared, that gives you 2x to the 4th power. Now, x squared times x is x cubed. Now, x squared times negative 1 is negative x squared. Now, we are going to subtract 2x to the 4th power plus x cubed minus x squared from the expression 2x to the 4th power plus 7x cubed plus 10x squared. So, 2x to the fourth power minus 2x to the fourth power, that becomes 0. So this cancels out. 7x cubed minus x cubed, that gives you 6x cubed, right? Now, 10x squared minus the negative x squared, so this becomes positive because negative times negative is positive. So the result will be 11x squared. Now we bring down 0x. Now we can repeat the process again. 6x cubed divided by 2x squared, that gives you 3x. Now 3x times 2x squared is 6x cubed. 3x times x, that's 3x squared. Then we have 3x times negative 1, that's negative 3x. Now we have to subtract this expression. So if we subtract this, 6x cubed minus 6x cubed, that cancels out. 11x squared minus 3x squared, that will give you 8x squared. Now, 0x minus the negative 3x, that will be positive 3x. Now, we bring down the positive 8. Now, 8x squared divided by 2x squared, that will give you positive 4. So, 4 will be multiplied with the divisor. So, 4 times 2x squared, that's 8x squared. 4 times x, that gives you 4x. 4 times negative 1, that gives you negative 4. So, if we subtract this, we have 8x squared minus 8x squared, that cancels out, right? 3x minus 4x, that gives you negative x. Now, 8 minus the negative 4, so negative 4 will become positive 4, right? So, 8 plus 4, that gives you 12. So, since we cannot divide negative x by 2x squared anymore, so we stop here. So the quotient is x squared plus 3x plus 4, and the remainder is negative x plus 12. So when we divide 2x to the fourth power plus 7x cubed plus 10x squared plus 8 by 2x squared plus x minus 1, the quotient will be x squared plus 3x plus 4 plus the remainder, which is negative x plus 12 all over 2x squared plus x minus 1. Claro? Please pause the video and try these exercises. If you're done, share your answers on the comment section. If you think Mathusay Math Tutorial helps you learn how to divide polynomials using long division, give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember, ang sikreto para maging mathusay, matuto, at mag-ensayo. Watch the next episode and learn how to divide polynomials using synthetic division. See ya! Bye!